Christmas Wonderland. Every December 8th, the city comes alive to celebrate the feast.
At talagang Hi friends! Welcome to the city of Naga, known as the Christmas capital of the South. Ngayong gabi ay sabay-sabay po nating saksihan ang pinakahinihintay ng lahat. The Enchanted and Magical Wonderland Christmas Tree and Village Lighting here in Naga City, Cebu. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara na sa venue! At nandito na nga po tayo sa venue at maya-maya lang po ay mag-start na po. Pasko sa Naga 2024!
Maayong gabi, City of Naga. Christmas is a season of praise, redemption, and thanksgiving for the birth of the child Jesus through the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Today, we celebrate the feast of the Immaculate Conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary and the greatest gift that God has given us, the child Jesus, which reminds us of God's love and divine providence. May I request everyone to please stand for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and remain standing after for the Sugbo hymn and Naga hymn. Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, dulang ka lang magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin. Oh, aming ligaya dapat may mga api, ang mamatay lang dahil sa'yo. Hangtod karoon, pangalan mo kanunay di handog. Lunhaw sa galamhang, nagahanong ng pagbarong mo kikas kagahapon. Ikaw ang narana, simbolo sa katilimang nagahanong. Nasa tanang panahon. Walk with Mary. Our solemn walk with Mary is starting from City Hall of Naga, going to our venue this evening. Enchanted lanterns of Christmas will light up the night sky, shining bright alongside the moonlight. These lanterns will be a symbol of optimism and hope for positive outcomes in our lives. And ambitions will bloom in the heart of Naga, symbolizing a fresh start of progress. May it become a beacon of hope for every Nagahanan to pursue their dreams and be a blessing to others this Christmas.
The much-awaited countdown of the lights on in the city of Naga. So please, help me.
'Pasko sa Naga, a tradition of light and joy. In the heart of South Cebu lies the tradition that has brought warmth and joy to countless lives. It began in 1998 during the tenure of former Mayor Enan Mendiola Chong as a humble gathering in front of the old municipal building. What started as a simple lighting ceremony has since blossomed into an annual spectacle that transforms the city of Naga into a radiant Christmas wonderland. Every December 8th, the city comes alive to celebrate the Feast of the Immaculada Concepcion, intertwining its cultural and spiritual heritage with the magic of the holiday season. The city of Naga Plaza becomes a canvas of dazzling Christmas lights and intricate decorations carefully designed to inspire awe and spread cheer. This event, lovingly known as Pasko sa Naga, carries a heartfelt mission to let every Nagahanon feel the spirit of Christmas, regardless of their financial circumstances. The tradition has grown more magnificent with each passing year. Once limited to a single lighting ceremony, it now encompasses an entire park and boardwalk where Naga-based companies and organizations contribute to the vibrant layout. Their involvement not only showcases their creativity, but also reflects the community's collective spirit and dedication to making Christmas special for everyone. Every year, a unique theme guides the decorations and festivities, ensuring that the celebration remains fresh and captivating. From whimsical displays to grand installation, every corner of the city of Naga Park and Boardwalk brings with festive charm. This evolution of the tradition has earned the city the title of Christmas Capital of South Cebu, a distinction that fills residents with pride. The ceremonial switch on of lights is the evening's highlight, where dignitaries, local leaders, and citizens gather in eager anticipation. As the countdown echoes through the plaza, the park is suddenly illuminated, casting a glow that symbolizes hope, unity, and the unyielding Christmas spirit. Pasko sa Naga is more than a celebration of lights. It is a testament to the city's dedication to fostering joy, preserving heritage, and bringing its people together. For the Nagahanons, it is a reminder that Christmas is not merely a season, but a feeling, a shared experience of love, community, and faith.
So, yun na nga ang history dito sa Christmas tree and village lighting ng Naga City, Cebu. It was started in 1998. 26 years na po palang practice ng mga taga-Naga ang Christmas tree and village lighting. Kaya City of Naga is known as the Christmas capital of the South. Unsa pay gihuwat na tong mga sugbuanon, arat na sa Naga City, Cebu. sagana namang napakalawak ng park ng Naga City, Cebu. Doon naman po sa dulo yung food park, yung mga nakikita nating bubong sa left side. At nandito na tayo sa popular boardwalk ng Naga. Ding malaking Christmas tree dito. At dahil sa dami ng tao nagsisiksika na dito sa restaurants, may iba't ibang food vendors din kasi dito, guys. Kung gusto niyo pong manood ng ating Mandawi and Talisay City Christmas Tree and Village Lighting, ilalagay ko po yung link sa description box. At talaga nga namang napakagandang tignan ng mga butterflies.
4.
Hanggang dito na muna ang ating video for today. At please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button para ma-update kayo sa mga bago kong upload. And don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video to your family and friends. Salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Merry Christmas everyone!